Is it possible to execute a command without actually accessing the remote machine? Today, in the over-the-wire Bandit level 18, we will see how to execute a command using SSH without accessing the machine. So, let's access the documents directory. Let's edit the bandits.md file. Let's go to the end and copy the bandit 18 password. Let's exit. Clear the screen. Let's use SSH bandit 18 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org -p 2220. Let's enter. Paste the password and enter again. And yeah, like you can see, connection to bandit.labs.overthewire.org is closed. So how to avoid that? So let's clear the screen. Let's use the up arrow to select the SSH command that we did before. To specify a command, just add the command that you want to execute. Let's use the quotes and let's specify the cat readme file. And we know that a readme file exists in the machine because it's specified on the level's goal. Let's enter, paste the password, and let's enter again. We successfully read the content of the readme file. Just copy the password. I will clear the screen. Let's edit the bandits.md file. Let's go to the end and add the new user, bandit19, and let's paste the password. Perfect. Let's save and quit. If the video was interesting, consider a like, maybe a comment or a follow. See ya!